Hello, viewers around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, best selling author of two books The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India, and the Global Marketplace. And friends, this one is a business book where I devised a business model, Jugaad Management Principle business model, and this one is a science fiction where, in a very unique way, I have taught bioterrorism. And when this book came in 2019, the outbreak of a monstrous infection, there was no trace of coronavirus. And here in this book, also, a virus spreads and ruins the human population. These two books were bestsellers on Amazon. So if you haven't read my books, please go and buy these two books wherever books are sold, at Amazon, at Barnes and Noble, and worldwide wherever books are sold, and read it and give me an honest review. Having said that, friends, as you know, I also carry a service of doing makeup review. So today I will do review of two products from L'Oreal, and the first one is True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer Sub Mature Declat Natural. And it is the number is 902 Light Glow. So this is the product I am talking about. And friends, this is the second product, which is Glow Lumi L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Armor Glow Boosting Drops. And this one is here, and the color is 507. So before, what I did, like today, you see that how shiny my face looks, and I was always wondering that what women apply their under their makeup, that it becomes so shining. So I never apply any product until and unless I read about it. So I read about it and finally saw some tutorials and did my own research, and found out that these are the two products. And how I applied it, I put it in my Estee Lauder foundation. I just took a squat of this and two drops of this and mixed this in my foundation and just applied it. And before that, I applied primer, and also I primed my face with the moisturizing spray, and then I applied primer, and then I applied with foundation this, and then I contoured it, and I baked it, you as you say, baking and everything. And see how nice I look. I got lot of compliments today that you are looking very beautiful. So these two products I recommend. And I am also a makeup products and movie and book products reviewer. So, and also recently I got into the Amazon influencer program. So if you buy these if you go from my website to Amazon and buy this, then you will get I will get a commission. And I really want my viewers to listen that and go to my website. And if you like my makeup, go to my website and you will see there is a separate page there. And from there you can go to the Amazon website and buy these two products. So having said that, friends, if you want me to review your makeup products, send me your makeup products as well as a paragraph write up about it, that what it is, and then I will do my research and will review that. And I do review at a very nominal fees, and I will give you my honest opinion. I always recommend products which I have applied and then they look good. And this one I bought with my own money. There was no sponsorship or anything. I just wanted to let you know, whether there is a sponsorship or whether there is no sponsorship, sponsorship, I will always give you an honest review. Having said that, friends, how do you like my sweater I am wearing today? It's a holiday theme sweater, and this also I got from Amazon, and on where these are on the web page of my www.afshanhashmi.com website, as well as www.drafshanhashmi website. You will see that these two, like there is a sweater link also. So if you come to my website and if you go from there to buy it, I will get a commission. So please come to my website and see what is there and what products I am recommending, and more are on the way. I have recommended some very nice books for you. So just come to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and see my recommendations, and I only recommend products which I like. So, having said that, friends, uh, this is a very, very like my cup. Which when I started my business, I had a previous company, then I got it made. So this is very precious to my heart. And having said that, these are the two books: The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And this one is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. So you can buy these books wherever books are sold, and they are in audiobooks, Nook and Kindle form. So whatever you like, or you can buy all the three things. So I have like narrated my audiobooks. So if you like my voice, if you want to hear like a very, very soothing music is also in the background, so go and see how the audiobook looks, or paperback or Nook or Kindle, and read it. And these two were, as I said, Amazon bestsellers. Having said that, friends, my email is afshan at drafshanhashmi.com if you want to contact me for any of the services given on my website. And I also want to tell that my radio show of Wednesday at 6 p.m. US Eastern Time is merged into the same station's TV show. So now it will come not only as a radio show but also as a TV show, and it will be live telecast at many places. And the list I have already uploaded in a PDF file, both where the radio show is syndicated as well as where the TV show will be live. So you go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and you can download that website. Having said that, friends, now I will sign off from this episode of my review of these two beautiful products here. And cheers and bye bye.